tostadas, empanadas, and tacos. You might think of street food when I mention this, but today we're going on an epic gastronomic adventure in Latin America. Hey foodie friends, in this video we'll be embarking on an exhilarating fine dining journey throughout Latin America. I had my first taste of fine dining in Costa Rica, a blend of modern, contemporary, and luxurious experiences that left me eager to delve deeper into the world of elevated gastronomy across different locales. We'll be exploring Michelin Star Restaurant and some of the world's best dining establishments. We'll kick off our journey in Colombia before venturing into the culinary wonders of Mexico. Stay tuned. Medellin, Colombia, the city of perpetual spring. If you're new to Colombian cuisine, Medellin is the perfect place to acquaint yourself with its flavors, and that is why I've chosen Carmen as my first destination. Nestled in El Poblado, Carmen offers a serene escape from its craziness. Its design, adorned with abundant greenery, mirrors the lush surroundings of Medellin itself. They were ranked 76 on Latin America's 50 Best Restaurants in 2021. Now that's pretty impressive. This is our main chicharron, pork belly. I love pork belly. Got a beautiful glaze on it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh wow, delicious. That pork belly is so good, so tender. The outside, so crispy. But the inside, pork fat, so soft, so tender, it almost melts in your mouth. Carmen, the dining experience, is a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. This 7-course tasting menu with wine pairing was priced at $500,000 Colombian pesos, which is about 125 USD. This is by far the best value I've ever had on any tasting menu. Highlighting local ingredients, Carmen's standout dishes like the empanada, octopus, and pork showcase culinary excellence. The empanada in particular impressed with its crispy yet delicate shell and flavorful filling was the perfect introduction to Colombian gastronomy. Now, flying over to the capital of Mexico, CDMX. The gastronomy and mixology scene has become prominent, boasting some of the best restaurants and bars in the world. At Rosetta, they've achieved remarkable recognition. Ranked at 34th in the world's 50 best restaurant in 2024, Chef Enrique Olvera, acclaimed as the world's best female chef in 2023, curates an ambience that perfectly complements her dishes. If you're looking for something more meaty, head to Gardella's, where they take tacos to new heights with specialties like bone marrow tacos. Or head to Sonora Grill Prime for a tomahawk feast. And oh yeah, we also had some bone marrow tacos. Over the past 12 years, PUJOL has been ranked on the world's 50 best restaurant, with its highest ranking in 2022 at number 5. Chef Enrique Olvera's PUJOL in Mexico City is a standout in Mexican gastronomy. Set in a tranquil Japanese Zen garden, PUJOL offers not just a meal, but an unforgettable dining experience, complemented by exceptional service which earned them 2 Michelin stars this year. He redefines traditional Mexican dishes with modern techniques, yet honoring indigenous ingredients. Each dish is a burst of flavors, featuring highlights like the best corn and carrot I've ever tasted. And this octopus is the absolute best I've ever had. Oh wow. Cheers. PUJOL's mole has been cooking for almost a decade, and it's a masterpiece in itself. This dish alone has put Chef Enrique on the world stage of gastronomy, even earning him an episode on the Netflix docuseries, Chef's Table. For my fine dining experience in Costa Rica, check out these videos here.